What's up? Welcome to my channel, and this is a portable speaker, and it is from the portable company. It is available in Amazon and on Flipkart. I bought this on Amazon, and in this video we have already unboxed this, and we'll see the contents. And it is a speaker. The build quality is okay, but it's feeling very cheap because the quality of the plastic is not good. It's not as good, and they're given the matte finish, carbon fiber texture around the speaker. And let's quickly turn on this.
Bluetooth mode.
The sound is awesome, and it is very loud, and it's not as clear as crystal, but it is okay, it's clear. And the bass is very high. Let's connect this and check the quality of the sound. Let's quickly turn on the Bluetooth and see. Oh, it's giving a sound like ting ting. You heard that? It's a high quality sound. The sound is very loud, and the speaker is producing very high sound. And if you observe, the table is vibrating, cause for the bass and for the loud sound, and it is clear but not as crystal clear. It is all balanced. Its bass and treble and mids and highs all are balanced. This is it. this is the speaker. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is Ganesh and you're watching Ganesh in English. Peace.